Do you have a scrap metal recycling program? We're not only trying to help the environment, we're trying to help you, the business owner, put money back in your pocket. I'm Joe from Greenway Metal Recycling. I have all your solutions right here. So if you're a manufacturing company and you partner with Greenway, we're so confident in our services, terms, and prices. And you could pick other recyclers and get paid in 30 to 45 days. We're gonna pay you in a matter of 5 days from the time of pickup. Greenway Metal Recycling not only handles industrial companies around the Chicagoland area, we also do large cleanups and demolition that would require multiple loads. We haul it away and we pay you quick. We make it painless, very easy. We would pay you in 5 days. If you recycle 1 ton of aluminum, it saves over 1,000 gallons of gas. And think of this, 10 plastic bottles will power a laptop for over 24 hours. So you can see the impact a company your size would have on the environment. And between you and I, you get to put money back in your pocket. Yeah, so it's a good thing. So I'm gonna be the recycling company that takes the pain out of recycling. You have to separate your scrap in order to maximize your profits. You always should separate your ferrous from non-ferrous. We provide you with all the material handling equipment you need in your plant, outside of your plant. It goes from your facility to our facility, and you're paid in 5 days. One of the things you have to worry about when choosing a recycling partner, there are certifications and compliances to the rules, and we do both exceedingly well. That's why you should be careful who you partner with. It's actually our responsibility once you put it in the container to take it from your facility back to our plant for processing. Some of our drivers have over 30 years experience. Our average tenure has been over 12 years with the company. If you already have a scrap metal recycling program and you like what I'm saying, that doesn't mean we can't still explore options. In fact, I can show you how much more I can put back in your pocket. And if it's your first time and you don't have a recycling program, let me come out and look at your place. And let me show you how you could reduce the cost of your raw materials. We are so confident in our services, prices, and terms. I know you don't have the time to worry about teaching your people how to recycle. That's why I'm gonna handle it for you. Because we're gonna come in with our team and we're gonna meet with your team to show them what to do. We're gonna make this a very seamless process because we all know extra work is needed by nobody. So give me a call. Let's put money back in your pocket. We're gonna pay you in net 5 days, better than industry standard. I'm Joe from Greenway Metal Recycling. I have all your solutions right here.